The next test I will perform now will be the in-cab inspection. I need to have my engine running in order for this to occur. First, I'm going to go from left to right and top to bottom. I'll check my mirrors, make sure they're properly adjusted, clean and not broken. Then I'll go to my air horn, make sure it's working properly. I'll come across to my windshield, make sure my windshield is clean and free of debris, no cracks or illegal stickers. Then I'll come down to my windshield wipers. Wipers work properly, not sticking or broken. I come back over to my gauges. I'm going to check my first gauge, which is my coolant temperature gauge, is working properly, rising to normal operating range. Then I'll check my voltometer, make sure it is working properly, rising to normal operating range. And my oil pressure gauge is working properly, rising to normal operating range. My ABS light came on and went off at the start. I keep going across. I check my air pressure gauge. It is rising to normal operating range and will cut out no higher than 130 psi. I'll turn on my headlights and my ID clearance lights. Make sure they're working properly. Come all the way back across to my turn signals. My left turn signal is working properly. My right turn signal is working properly. My four-way flashers are working properly. My steering wheel has no more than 10% of play on the 20-inch wheel. My street horn works properly, not broken. Keep coming across to my point on my tractor brakes and my trailer parking brakes. Make sure they're not broken or sticking. I come down and check out my heater and defroster, turn the fan on. Make sure it's working properly, not broken. My gear selector works properly, not broken. My boot on my floor should be not torn and secure, not leaking. The floor should be clear and free of all debris and garbage. My pedals, which will consist of my clutch pedal, my brake and my accelerator, they're not sticking and working properly. This concludes my in-cab inspection.